Hi everyone, and welcome to the Conestoga Full-Time Faculty Development and Leadership Program. My name is Jess Wilkinson. I'm the Educational Technology Officer, and I'll be taking you through our shared OneDrive folder with resources. So in our promotional materials, you're going to find a link to our shared folder, and in there we'll be storing all of the presentations, the handouts, the links that we're going to be using in the events and activities that you'll be participating in. And so your link may look like Conestoga Full-Time Faculty Development and Leadership Program, like mine here in my email. It may look like a card, or the text may be presented differently. But I'd like you to just go ahead and click it and open it. I'm going to open mine in an incognito window so I can show you it from your perspective as opposed to from my login. And you'll see it takes you to a folder full of goodies. In here, all of the folders are titled with the names of the workshops that you'll be participating in. They're listed alphabetically. You can go in and you can explore the resources in each of the folders. You'll see that if you scroll down to the bottom, you can find the schedule and brochure. You can download all of these documents and folders if you would like. It will download to your desktop as a zip folder. You'll need to unzip it to access the contents. Or over here, a little further over, you can go ahead and sign in, and you can just pull these right over into your own OneDrive and store them there as opposed to downloading them to your desktop. If you take a look at the bottom here, you can pull open the schedule and brochure right from here. It opens in your browser. I haven't left my browser at all. And it'll pull open the entire schedule and brochure for you to get familiar with the sessions, the keynotes, who you're going to be meeting with, where you're going to be meeting. And in here, if you need it, there's a fantastic accessibility mode that it can help focus your reading. You can download the individual document, or you can print it out for yourself. So that's a brief orientation to our shared OneDrive folder. I hope that you'll find this to be a fantastic opportunity, and I'm so looking forward to meeting you at it. See you soon.